Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodan Ramaya. In this channel I give you latest updates on abroad education for latest technologies. Here in this video I would like to talk about best universities in Canada for MS in 2021. Canada is a home to some of the world's top universities. In fact, 30 Canadian institutions are counted among the best in the world according to the Times Higher Education's World University Rankings 2021. You might not have heard of them all, but with 8 universities in the top 200, Canada offers plenty of opportunities for a world-class education. Compared with the US, Canada can also provide cheaper study options, simpler application processes, and more opportunities for permanent residency. Canada's top 2 universities, the University of Toronto and the University of British Columbia, score particularly highly for research impact, which means that these schools produce high quality academic work that is well respected. Many of Canada's universities are renowned for promoting a global outlook by recruiting international students and staff and encouraging international collaborations. So you can respect a cosmopolitan atmosphere on campus. According to the Canadian Bureau of International Education's International Student Survey, more than 90% of students present were satisfied or very satisfied with their studies in Canada, and 95% would recommend Canada as a study destination. Indian students on why they study at the University of Toronto, and interviews with international students in Canada about COVID-19 situation. International perspective, Indian students studying in Canada. Top 5 universities in Canada. University of Toronto, originally controlled by the Church of England, the first university founded in the colony of Upper Canada, is structured on a collegiate system, much like prestigious universities in the UK. The 7 colleges all have distinct histories and traditions. The University of Toronto has many pioneering achievements to its name, including Canada's first academic publishing house, the first forest science faculty in the country, and becoming the first Canadian university to reach more than 1 billion in endowment. Influential academic movements began at the university, including the Toronto School of Literary Criticism and Communication Theory, the NP Completeness Theory in Computer Science, and research into stem cell treatment. The University of Toronto's downtown campus contains several historic buildings and courtyards that rival Europe's finest. More than 700 undergraduate students degrees and 200 postgraduate degrees are on offer, and the university is one of the best in the world for medicine. Notable alumni including 5 Canadian Prime Ministers and the writers Michael Ondaatje and Margaret Atwood. In total, 10 Nobel laureates are affiliated with the university, that is University of Toronto. University of British Columbia, the oldest university in the province. The University of British Columbia is one of the most competitive in Canada. There are 2 campuses, one in Vancouver and the other in Kelowna. The main campus in Vancouver is near several beaches and boasts views over the North Shore Mountains. There are a number of botanical and memorial gardens on the campus, as well as a renowned performing arts center. The university offers a number of scholarships, including Donald Warren International Student Award for candidates from war-torn countries. 8 Nobel Prize winners are associated with the university, as are 71 Rhodes Scholars and 65 Olympic medalists. The world's largest cyclotron, a type of particle accelerator, is housed at the university in Triumph, the country's national laboratory for particle and nuclear physics. The university is organized into 12 faculties on the Vancouver campus and a further 7 on the Kelowna campus. The university offers a special joint undergraduate program with the Sciences PO in Paris. 3 Canadian Prime Ministers have been educated at UBC, University of British Columbia, including current Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who graduated with a Bachelor of Education degree. Third best university is McGill University. Is the only Canadian institution represented in the World Economic Forum's Global University Leaders Forum, which comprises the heads of 21 of the world's top higher education institutions. The university was founded in 1821 and the main campus is at the base of Mount Royal in downtown Montreal. Many first year students also live on the Parkline campus. All original buildings were constructed using local grey limestone, giving the campus a striking aesthetic. In 1829, McGill founded the nation's first faculty of medicine, and to this day the university scores particularly highly in world's rankings for clinical subjects. The university offers more than 300 degree subjects to more than 31,000 students from 150 countries. It counts itself as one of Canada's most internationally diverse institutions. Singer-songwriter Leonard Cohen and actor William Shatner are graduates of McGill University. The university also educates more Rhodes Scholars than any other Canadian institution. The fourth best university is McMaster University. It is located in Hamilton, Ontario, with the main campus situated on 121 hectares of land near Hamilton's Royal Botanical Gardens. The university is named after William McMaster, a prominent Canadian senator and banker who donated $900,000 Canadian dollars to found the institution. McMaster's medical school is world renowned and there are also faculties of engineering, business, humanities, social sciences and sciences. The university places a strong emphasis on research, working to target some of the most urgent needs in society, particularly in the field of health sciences. This includes research from the Stem Cell and Cancer Research Institute, which turned sections of human skin into blood cells, which could help to alleviate the shortage of blood donors. Students and faculty come from more than 90 countries and the university holds some 70 international exchange agreements with institutions around the world. The university's motto, chosen from Colossians chapter 1 line 17, is all things cohere in Christ, and is unusual in that it is written in Greek instead of traditional Latin or English. The fifth best university is University of Montreal, the only francophone university in the top 5. The University of Montreal is the second largest university in the country in terms of student numbers, with more than 36,000 students enrolled. A quarter of all students are international. The University of Montreal's main campus is on the slopes of Mount Royal. The distinctive central building was built in an Art Deco style. 74% of the student body is enrolled on an undergraduate degree. A students' union represents undergraduate and postgraduate students, and it has 3 affiliated fraternities and sororities. University sport is popular. The teams are known as Carabins and compete in badminton, Canadian football and hockey, among other sports. Many renowned business leaders are graduates of university, including Louis or Chernobyl, Chief Executive Officer of the United Technologies Corporation. Other graduates are noted for their contributions to scientific research, including innovations in nuclear power, visual perception, and quantum cryptography. The university also has former Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau and 10 premiers of Quebec among the alumni. The World University ranked 2021 Canadian province universities. The first rank goes to University of Toronto, Ontario, Toronto. Second one, University of British Columbia, Vancouver. Third one, McGill University, Quebec, Montreal. Fourth one, McMaster University, Ontario, Hamilton. Fifth one, University of Montreal, Quebec, Montreal. Sixth one, University of Alberta, Edmonton. Seventh one, University of Ottawa, Ontario, Ottawa. Eighth one, University of Calgary, Alberta, Calgary. University of Waterloo, Ontario, Waterloo. Western University, Ontario, London. Dalhousie University, Nova Scotia, Halifax. Laval University, Quebec City. Queen's University, Ontario, Kingston. Simon Fraser University, British Columbia, Barbaby. University of Manitoba, Winnipeg. University of Victoria, British Columbia, Victoria. University of Saskatchewan, Saskatoon. York University, Ontario, Toronto. Carleton University, Ontario, Ottawa. University of Guelph, Ontario, Guelph. Memorial University of Newfoundland, St. John's. Concordia University, Quebec, Montreal. Lakehead University, Ontario, Thunder Bay and Orillia. Université du Québec. Ryerson University, Ontario, Toronto. University of Windsor, Ontario, Windsor. University of Brunswick, New Brunswick. University of North British Columbia, Prince George. University of Regina, Saskatchewan, Regina. University of Lethbridge, Alberta, Lethbridge. And if you find this video is interesting, please click like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, that is Abroad Education for latest technologies. And if you want to go for abroad education, you can contact me. I teach IELTS and GRE, and the name of our consultancy is Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, behind PVP Mall, and it is located in Andhra Pradesh, India. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Please subscribe my channel.